Gray sandstone was used to build Angkor Wat. It was quarried from Phnom Penh, a mountain over 24 miles northeast of the site. The sacred mountain of Phnom Penh proved a great resource for the builders of Angkor Wat. The mountain's base is a massive 22-mile-long block of sandstone, a plentiful source of high-quality building material. But how did the ancient workers excavate all that rock? They used iron rod with a sharp edge, well glued the size of the block they wanted to remove. Then they would place a wedge between the sedimentary layers where it's easy to break the rock. Or in some cases, several men worked together, pounding the rock and breaking it in order to pry it loose. Workers removed vast amounts of rock from the mountain. It is estimated that it took a stone cutter at least 10 days just to carve a groove around one block of stone weighing more than a ton. After the groove was carved, a wedge was placed in the groove so the rock could be separated. It took a workforce of thousands to cut just a few hundred blocks of stone each day. More than 600,000 high-quality sandstone blocks were used in the construction of Angkor Wat. 5 million tons of sandstone. Because the builders used no mortar, the blocks had to be precisely cut, utterly smooth surfaces. The system lifted a stone block just slightly above another stone, and the workers pushed it back and forth in order to grind the two surfaces and make it smooth. Another relief in Bayon Temple has a detailed depiction of how this method worked. Workers used poles and wood to lift one stone just above another, and the top stone was rubbed